Okay, so are you looking for summer fun? Dollar Tree is definitely the one. Okay, check these out. Okay, these outdoor bubbles, so cool. Check them out. Okay, listen, Linda, have you seen these? These are so cute. Okay, so these are the button envelope. You get two for $1.25. Okay, still deal. Look at the colors. Okay, you guys know I'm a colors girl. Okay, $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. I think that's the only ones that they have. Wait, hold on, child. No, they have some more. They also have these right here. This color. This is cute. Movie groovy. Okay, $1.25. Let's see what else these fancy folks have. Okay, so my intuition had told your girl to come to this Dollar Tree, okay, in Kearny, New Jersey. Now, remember this item a few months ago, probably about a month ago, Dollar Tree had, right? And I don't see this at any other Dollar Trees, okay, right now, currently, except for this one right here in Kearny, New Jersey. You remember these? The women's lounge shorts, okay, the different kinds they had, like they had the dots, they also had the blow pops, the junior men's. So if you're a person, okay, that's in a New Jersey area that's not too far from Kearny, New Jersey, honey, you may want to make your rounds here because they definitely have them, honey. Check them out, check them out, check them out. Okay, so they have the blow pop, women's lounge shorts, the junior men's, the Tootsie Rolls, the sugar babies, and also the dots for $1.25. Honey, can we say still deal like Holyfield? Now, honey, one of the things I want you to be on the lookout for, so Dollar Tree is definitely increasing the prices. Toasted chips, $3.75 by Ritz. They also have these Ritz right here, fresh stacks, the original 8, okay, this is $3.75. They also have the cheeses, $3.75. What about the Country Time? $3.75. Lemonade, the Kool-Aid. Let me tell you something. Let me know in the comment section if you guys ever did this. Get an ice tray and you put the Kool-Aid inside, you know, the ice tray, and then you put like a toothpick in there to have like little mini popsicles. Honey, me and one of my childhood friends, Tyra, we used to do that when we was kids, okay? Really good times. They also have the sugar Capri Sun, $3.25 boxes over here. They also have the Kool-Aid jammers. You get 10 pouches for, I think these are $3.25 as well. One of these I know is more expensive than the other. Maybe it's this one, the Kool-Aids. I don't know. One of them are. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day. Your life is going to get better. Honey, once you say hey, no, once your perception gets better. Now, listen, Linda, listen. Today we are at Dollar Tree in Kearny, New Jersey. Let's see what they have inside. Alright, so first up, Dollar Tree has these solar stake lights. These are $1.25. They also have these beauties right here, which are $1.25 as well. And then they also have these with the butterflies. Still, they're like Holyfield. Dollar Tree, come on now, is the hair for me, definitely. The 3 count, come on, you're gonna have to put some more hair in this, okay, in this little package thing right here. Because what we gonna do with three little pieces? Honey, come on now. Are y'all trying to be funny? This is $1.25, just in case somebody out there wanted to know. So, a few new items in a frozen part at Dollar Tree. They have the Fisher Boy Living Large Popcorn Shrimp, the fish fillets. I had tried the fish fillets, they okay. And then they also have the fish sticks, 44 sticks for $5, and the fish fillets are $5, and also the Living Large Popcorn Shrimp is $5 as well. So, Dollar Tree also have the kitchen towers. We had seen these are $1.25, but this is the only location that I had seen the Easter eggs that comes in different colors. So they have the orange, the blue, the blue, and the purple for $1.25. Whatever your little heart desire or your big heart desire, Dollar Tree definitely has the Still Deals trills when it comes to Easter theme. Okay, the pillowcases, right, $1.25. Now I had seen seen these at a previous Dollar Tree. I can't remember which other one, but honey, they don't even have these any longer. I think the Dollar Tree by my house, but those are $1.25. They also have these 12-piece decor bunnies for $1.25. They also have this mesh right here, decorative mesh for $1.25 as well. The wood honey, where did I get that from? The wood bead garland, $1.25, and this is pretty much what they working with. Can we say still deal trails for real? Now, Dollar Tree also have these bags right here, the tall kitchen bags, 13 gallons. These are $5. But what I really like is to get in the smaller bags that has like 7 in there for $1.25. Honey, if you do the math, and the math is math, and you will see that is way more for the 7 count as opposed to this one, because it's 35 bags for $5, and then you could get 9 bags for $1.25. So honey, do the math. Make sure the math is mathing. Okay, so this location has the Color Wonder mess-free coloring books. Okay, these are $5 by Crayola. When I seen these, I was like, oh my goodness, this is so cool. So you get 10 coloring pages and 3 markers, $5. Okay, they also have the Disney Princess, which is $5 as well, same as that concept, 10 coloring pages and 3 markers. They also have Spidey and Amazing Friends, Marvel, Crayola, $5. Okay, so they also Dollar Tree is selling 20 super tip markers, washable markers, washability you can trust, super tips, and these are $5. They also have this right here, twistable crayons, which are $5 as well. They also have the 24 pre-sharpened Crayola pencils, erasable, honey, you see this? Erasable colored pencils. They erase just in case. Honey, I know that's right. They also have the twistable color pencils. You get 18. And then they also have colored pencils, 24. Okay, and then they also have the 10 classic colors up at the top, Crayola, and then they also have the 8 jumbo Crayola crayons. Honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree is not playing, and they are definitely moving their feet to the beat. Ultra clean washable crayons. These are 24 for $3. So, colored pencils, $3, 24 pre-sharpened. Twistable colored pencils, these are $5 though. And the erasable are $5. Okay, when I first seen these jumbo 9.5-inch mercury eggs, I was like, what in the world? Okay, because this was my first time seeing this. Okay, so this is $5. Dollar Tree also have the set of 4 egg containers. We've seen these so many times, child. This is $5 as well. They also have the 10 Peeps bunny string lights for $5. And then, oh my goodness, these are so cute. When I first seen them, I thought these was the cutest things. The Peeps LED bubble wand for $5. Okay, and they come in, I think, like 3 different colors. They have the green, the blue, and also the pink. The pink, honey, they sold out. They also have hanging with Peeps, doormats, and remember, I always say, honey, make sure you buy the doormat and you're not the doormat, okay? And those are $5. They also have the string lights over here, which are, it says $3. I don't know. I think those are $5. And then they also have the carrots and a bunny, which is $5 as well. Still deal like Holyfield. Alright, so much fun for summer. Okay, these bubbles are $1.25, and if you've noticed, they are huge. They also have the 3-piece bubbles, $1.25 as well. What about the sidewalk chart? I don't know about you guys, but when I was a kid, it was a game that we used to play. It was called Ace, King, Queen, Jack, and you have a basketball, and you got to make sure that you hit the ball in each little box. Well, the boxes we had were big boxes. boxes, right? And it can't touch the line. If it touched the line, you're out. Such an amazing game we used to play. Now, this sidewalk chart, 20 pieces for $1.25, and this reminds me of that game because we had the, highlight the boxes. Okay, they also have the chalk holders with the chalk. Okay, chalk it up. This is $1.25, and you get 3 different colors. They also have the Bubble Storm, okay, which are $1.25. You put the little whistle thing in your mouth and, honey, you just blow up a storm, okay? They also have some more Jumbo Chalk, 3 pieces for $1.25. Still feel like Holyfield. And check these out, Novelty Bubble Wands, all right? These are $1.25. Honey, whatever it is your little heart desires, Dollar Tree is definitely the place to be, okay? Bubble place at $1.25, and then they also have some more novelties over here. Oh, so these are so cute. All right, the headbands over here. Look at these. Really cute. Is these, I don't know, I think these bunnies, honey, sometimes the designs be getting me a little confused. Okay, they also have these tinfoil cans over here, really cool, $1.25. Some headbands, these are cute, $1.25 as well. And then also these little buckets over here that comes in 3 different colors, the yellow, the pink, and also the blue. Really cool. The 10-inch bunny-shaped egg containers, the bags they have for Easter's, really cute. The baskets, I like saying these are bags because technically, in my opinion, they are, but they say these are baskets. These are $1.25. Okay, so if you are a person that's moving like your sofa or your bedroom set, okay, like your bed and your dressers and stuff like that, and you don't want to scratch the floors up, these are really good. Okay, they are felt pads. They are $1.25. And when I used to work at a hardware store, they sold these, but honey, definitely not 27 pieces for $1.25. This is right here, amazing steal deal like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree also have the hardware selection as well, like this ratchet and screwdriver and socket set, 40 pieces for $1.25. A steal deal combination wrench set, 6 pieces. Honey, I said $5. I hope I said $5. This is $5, okay? They also have the combination wrench set. This is $5 as well. And then they also have the 16-ounce fiberglass claw hammer, which is $5 as well. Adjustable wrench, 10-inch, $5. Okay, so when it comes to journaling, right, you guys hear me talk about journaling a whole lot, okay, because I live by journaling, right? Having goals, writing your goals down, being able to see where you currently are and to move past where you are. You need to have a journal, okay? Writing to me is very therapeutic. It's really good. Writing down my goals, my ideas, where I see myself in the next year or so, or 6 months. And Dollar Tree has some amazing books, okay, notebooks. These are $1.25. You can come to Dollar Tree and get a few of these, all right? This one says happy, making it happen. I know that's right. Goal setter. Let me tell you something. If you don't have goals and if you don't set goals for yourself, I can almost assure you will be working towards someone else's goals. That's just the way it is, okay? They also have these notebooks over here, spiral notebooks, $1.25. And whatever type of notebook you're looking for, honey, I can almost assure you Dollar Tree most likely definitely has it, okay? Now, they also have this chalk over here, 18 pieces for $1.25. Honey, when I tell you, the most amazing thing that I love about Dollar Tree is this. When you come to Dollar Tree, you have a choice, okay? You can get the stuff that's $5 or you can get the stuff that's $1.25, like these Crayola crayons, 24 pieces for $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Okay, so just in case if you didn't know that Dollar Tree, honey, when it comes to home decor, they definitely moving their feet to the beat. Honey, get into this out in these streets, okay? And this is by far my favorite. Now, let me tell you something. Someone had once told me a few years ago, they said wallpaper bring roaches. I don't know how true that is and if I necessarily agree with that, okay? Because I think, honey, you had to have the roaches already and then the wallpaper. Because why wallpaper? How could wallpaper bring roaches? Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever heard that. Okay, now this wallpaper is $1.25. My favorite is definitely the butterflies. Okay, really, really cool. And then this one would definitely have to come second. Absolutely love this. And if you're a person that's looking for some more home decor ideas, Dollar Tree definitely has it. Like this porch over here they have this sign right here that says relax. And then they also have this sign that says blessed. I like that one. Okay. Welcome spring. I know that's right. And these are $1.25. All right, family, make sure you guys keep on going, keep on growing. Until next time, honey, drop of a dime. I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right. With that being said, peace.